Hi, Coach. My name is Olivia, and today I will teach you how to archive an invoice. From your dashboard in CoachVantage, select Invoices on the left-hand side of your screen. Now, check the box next to the corresponding invoice number you would like to delete, and then press Delete Invoice. A pop-up window will appear. Press Proceed. Fantastic. The invoice has now been deleted. Please note that it is not possible to permanently delete or remove invoices from your CoachVantage account once they've been sent out. Instead, you can archive invoices so that they are no longer visible in your Active Invoices tab. Next, I will show you how to view an archived invoice. To do this, simply select the Archived tab here, and you will see your archived invoices listed here. To unarchive an invoice, simply select the three-dot button menu and then click Unarchive. A pop-up window will appear. Press Proceed to continue. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video on how to archive an invoice in CoachVantage. Happy coaching!